Water is the lifeblood of agriculture and landscaping, but not all irrigation systems are created equal. Imagine losing thousands of dollars and watching your precious crops wither away simply because you chose the wrong watering method. In today's video, we're diving deep into the worst irrigation systems that can sabotage your gardening dreams and drain your wallet. Every farmer, gardener, and landscaper knows that water management is crucial. But what many don't realize is that some seemingly attractive irrigation solutions can actually be silent destroyers of plant health and water resources. Today, we'll expose the irrigation systems that promise convenience but deliver disappointment. We've structured this comprehensive guide into 4 critical sections to make your learning journey smooth and actionable. First, we'll deconstruct the most problematic irrigation systems you should absolutely avoid. Next, we'll explore alternative solutions that can transform your watering strategy. Then, we'll provide practical DIY tips to help you design an efficient irrigation system. Finally, we'll wrap up with key takeaways that will empower you to make smart, water-conscious decisions. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to sidestep common irrigation mistakes, conserve water, and create thriving gardens and landscapes that are the envy of your neighborhood. Let's dive in and turn you into an irrigation expert. Problematic irrigation systems. When it comes to irrigation, not all systems are created equal. Some methods that might seem convenient can actually cause significant damage to your crops and waste precious water resources. Let's break down the most problematic irrigation systems you should steer clear of. Sprinkler systems. Traditional sprinkler systems might look impressive, but they're a water management nightmare. These systems spray water indiscriminately, leading to massive water loss through evaporation and runoff. In hot climates, up to 50% of water can be lost before it even reaches the plants. Uneven water distribution means some areas get flooded while others remain bone dry, creating a challenging environment for consistent crop growth. Soaker hoses. Soaker hoses might seem like a low-cost irrigation option, but they're riddled with problems. These porous hoses are prone to uneven water distribution, with areas near the beginning of the hose receiving more water than those at the end. They're also susceptible to clogging, especially in areas with hard water or mineral-rich soil. Their fragile construction means they can easily crack, leak, or become damaged by sun exposure or garden tools. Drip irrigation. While drip irrigation can be effective, poorly designed systems can cause more harm than good. Improperly installed drip lines can lead to root damage, with emitters placed too close to plant stems, causing salt buildup and potential root burn. Clogged emitters are a common issue, creating inconsistent water delivery that stresses plants and reduces overall crop health. These problematic irrigation systems share a common thread. They promise simplicity, but deliver inefficiency. Each method fails to provide the precise, consistent water delivery that crops desperately need. In the next section, we'll explore alternative solutions that can revolutionize your approach to irrigation, ensuring every drop of water counts. Stay tuned as we unveil smarter, more sustainable irrigation technologies that can transform your gardening and farming practices. Alternative irrigation solutions. In the world of modern agriculture and landscaping, technology offers game-changing irrigation solutions that maximize water efficiency and plant health. Let's explore cutting-edge alternatives that can transform your approach to watering. Smart irrigation controllers. These intelligent systems are revolutionizing water management. Using advanced sensors and weather data, smart controllers automatically adjust watering schedules based on real-time conditions. They consider factors like soil moisture, temperature, humidity, and rainfall predictions. This means your plants receive precisely the water they need, when they need it, reducing water waste by up to 30 to 50%. micro sprinklers, and micro drippers. Forget traditional broad spray systems. Micro sprinklers and micro drippers provide laser-focused water delivery. These compact systems create fine, targeted water streams that minimize evaporation and ensure uniform moisture distribution. They're particularly effective for vegetable gardens, greenhouse cultivation, orchards and densely planted areas, landscapes with varied plant types, gray water systems. Gray water systems represent an innovative approach to water conservation. By recycling water from household activities like washing machines, sinks, and showers, these systems provide an eco-friendly irrigation solution. Properly filtered gray water can lower water bills, support sustainable gardening practices, minimize environmental impact. Each of these alternative solutions addresses the shortcomings of traditional irrigation methods. They represent a shift towards more intelligent, efficient, and environmentally responsible water management. In our next segment, we'll dive into practical DIY tips that will help you implement these advanced irrigation strategies, ensuring your plants thrive while conserving precious water resources. DIY irrigation system. Tips. Creating an effective irrigation system requires strategic planning and careful execution. Here are essential tips to help you design a water-efficient solution that keeps your plants healthy and your resources protected. Soil testing. Before installing any irrigation system, conduct a comprehensive soil test. This crucial step reveals soil composition, water retention capabilities, nutrient levels, drainage characteristics. Understanding your soil's specific properties allows you to customize your irrigation approach, ensuring optimal water delivery and plant nutrition. Garden layout considerations. Your irrigation strategy must align with your garden's unique characteristics. Analyze plant types and their individual water requirements. Map out sun exposure and shade patterns. Consider slope and terrain variations. Identify microclimates within your garden space. Material selection. Investing in quality. Choose high-performance irrigation components that guarantee long-term reliability. Use UV-resistant piping. Select corrosion-resistant connectors. Invest in weather-resistant controllers. Opt for adjustable and programmable systems. Water conservation techniques. Implement strategies that maximize water efficiency. Install rain sensors. Use mulching to reduce water evaporation. Group plants with similar water needs together. Create water catchment systems. By following these DIY tips, you'll develop an irrigation system that's both sustainable and effective, protecting your plants and conserving valuable water resources. Empowering your irrigation strategy. Selecting the right irrigation system isn't just about watering plants. It's about creating a sustainable, efficient approach to agricultural and landscaping success. The choices you make today will directly impact your crop yields, water conservation efforts, and long-term gardening sustainability. Key takeaways. Avoid outdated irrigation systems that waste water and damage plants. Invest in smart technologies that provide precise water management. Understand your specific environmental and plant needs. Prioritize efficiency over convenience. Making the right irrigation choice is a journey of continuous learning and strategic adaptation. Successful water management isn't just about installing a system. It's about understanding the dynamic needs of your landscape, staying informed about emerging technologies, and being willing to evolve your approach. Professional consultation can provide invaluable insights, helping you navigate the complex world of irrigation solutions tailored to your specific environment. Emerging technologies are revolutionizing how we think about water management. By embracing smart, sustainable practices, you can dramatically transform your agricultural and landscaping outcomes. Imagine reducing water consumption, improving crop health, and lowering long-term agricultural costs, all while contributing to environmental conservation. Your irrigation system is more than a technical solution. It's a critical investment in sustainable agriculture. Before we wrap up, if you found this information valuable, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on game-changing agricultural and landscaping tips. Your support helps us continue delivering cutting-edge insights that can transform your gardening and farming practices. Take action today. Research, consult experts, and implement the strategies we've discussed. Your garden, your crops, and our planet will thank you for making informed, sustainable choices. Until next time, keep farming and keep watching Smart Farming Inside.